this is Lisha Smith. Today is 10/31/2017, shortly after 2:20. Today I am going to show you guys a very easy tool to help your students. I'm sure there's a lot of learning coaches out there that math is not some students' strong suit. So I'm going to show them an easy way to where you can teach your students that addition is the reverse of multiplication, okay? So today I'm going to use Microsoft WordPad. Here in a very short bit I'm going to introduce one of my students because I am a learning coach through K-12, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about her. Her name is Skylar. She's 8 years old, and last year she went through Connections Academy. She had completed at the beginning of the school year second grade, and she also completed third grade. Now enrolling into K-12 this 2017-2018 school year. She is literally almost completed her fourth grade, and she'll be starting here pretty soon in her fifth grade material. So one of the things that I'm going to actually have her show you step by step is what I'm going to introduce to you all. But first, let me introduce my student, which is also my daughter, Skylar. Okay, today I am going to have you show them how we would do revert multiplication. Okay, so if I did, for instance, let me make my letters a little bit bigger. Okay, so if I did 7 plus 7 plus 7, what would that be in multiplication?
That would be 7 times 3.
So 7 times 3. Okay, so if we broke this down and we did it like this, did 7 plus 7 plus 7, then it would be, you said 7 times 3. Okay. Okay, now let's try a new method, and let's do a little bit of, so if I would do 8 times 4, what would that be in the reverse roll? Can you show them for a second? There you go. All right. Now, if we was to do another math problem, and it was, let's see, for instance, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, what would that be in the reverse?
6 times 4.
That's right. Okay. Sorry, today is a little crazy in my house. I'm a learning coach to 3 and a mother of 5. So it might get a little rowdy in here, and I do apologize. So if we were to do the math problem, 7 equals 3 plus 4. So it would be 2 times 7. I'm going to space that because I'm going to keep it blank. Equals blank. and then it would be times 3 plus, let's see here, sorry about that guys, 3 plus 4, and then 2 times 7 equals blank times 3. Once I get this third line done, I will go ahead and have her do this, and then we'll work on the second half of the math problem. That way you guys can see the breakdown, and you can see someone of your child's age group understanding it and working through the process, and then you could probably pick up a few things on how she does it and be able to apply them to your child as a learning coach. Alright, so Skylar, 7 equals 3 plus 4. So 2 times 4 equals
8.
Okay, so looking at the math problem, so 7 equals 3 plus 4. So you know 2 7s is what? 7 times 2 is what?
It's 14.
Okay, so then blank times 3 plus 4. We know we always work the parentheses first. So what's 3 plus 4?
7.
7. So 7 times what gets you the same?
2.
2. Okay. Okay, so working out the problem down here, 2 times 7 equals what? Times 3. Okay, so in this math problem, it has 7 dots equals 3 squares plus 4 triangles. So you would do 7 equals 3 plus 4. Okay, because you know 3 plus 4 is 7, right? So you know 2 times 7 is 14. Right here. Equals 14, right?
Yes.
Okay. So then you would backspace that out. So then you would do the 3 times 4, or 3 plus 4 equals what?
3 plus 4 equals 7.
Okay, so this equals 14. And then this equals 7. Exactly. So then it would be 14 equals 14, right? Because 2 times 7 equals 14. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. So 7 times 2 is 14. So 14 equals 14. Okay. There you go. Good job. All right. So let's try another one out.
Okay. Which number could replace the blank? 7 equals 7. So 2 times 7 equals 2 times 7.
Awesome. So let's put this out here for them. So 7 equals 7. So this is how they have it. They did a blank space right before the X. I don't know what happened here. I don't know why that.
11.
I know, font 11, huh? Okay, so they did a blank space, which they left it blank for a reason, because we have to fill in that answer.
Yes.
So, times 7 equals 7 times 2. Okay, so when we're doing this, I just want you to see this. This is how I showed her. Okay, so we have 7 here. So 7 meets this 7 here. So this 7 meets this 7. Okay, so then this 7, oh, we got the equal sign in there, but that's okay. So this 7 equals this 7. Okay, so what is our missing number? You highlighted it all. That's okay. All right, so our missing number is what, Skylar? Come on.
2.
Oh, we went to font. Sorry, the font went down. Let me make it a little bit bigger so she can write it and you can see it. 2. Now, so I'm going to once again repeat this problem. Okay, so we have 7 equals 7. Okay, so this was our blank number, remember? Okay, so what I did is I took 7 meets this 7, this 7 meets, oh, we did it again, meets this 7. Okay, but see, this 2 wasn't here, so before this 2 wasn't there, it was just like that. So where's our missing number?
We brought the 2 that's went there.
Exactly, because this adds up. Let's see. Let me see if I can get a tool in here to where, there we go. That would be great. Okay, so are you gonna let me use it? So this meets that. Oh no. Black, that'll work. So, okay. So we have 7 plus, sorry, let me erase that. We have 7 equals 7 equals 7. Okay, so therefore, and then we had a blank square times 7 equals 7 times 2. Okay, I will show you how I showed her. See, this 7 meets this 7. And then obviously this 7 meets here. So where does our 2 meet? Is there a 2 up there?
No, so we bring the 2 over there.
Exactly, so we put our 2 here. Okay, so 7 times 2 equals what?
Equals 2 times 7.
Equals 2 times 7. Okay. So, and just multiplication and not equals, what would 7 times 2 actually mean in multiplication? 7 plus 7 is...
What?
It's okay.
14.
It's 14. So 7 times 2 equals 14. Oh goodness, now we got a crisis in the house. What You guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, so now we need a big eraser. Okay, guys. Sorry, I got a little rowdy. I had to actually put it on pause and deal with a couple of things. I'm so sorry. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I am gonna up this size right here to our pencil, and we're gonna do another math problem. We're gonna do 6 equals 6. So 6 equals 6. Okay, so 2 times 6 equals
6 plus 6.
Equals, yep, square, because that's our blank, plus, no, it's, girl, what are you doing?
I don't know.
That is, all right. Okay, we kind of messed up a little bit, but that's okay. People make mistakes. So, I know, yep, it's time. So our square is our empty answer because we have not yet figured it out. So, I will show you again. So, 6 finds 6 here, and obviously this 6 finds this 6. So where is our other 2? Where's our other 2, Skylar? Do we have another one?
No, so we have to bring it over here.
So we have, yeah, that's right, we have to put it in there. That is a good idea. Alright, so I'm going to put one more problem up here, and I'm going to have Skylar actually put in the answer, which will show you exactly how your student would do it. I know I showed you, but she's kind of excited. She really wants to do it. So we're going to do 10 equals 10. So 10 equals 10. Oh, okay. So then it would be, that is so not a 4. Where's that one? Okay, so then we'll do 4 times 10. Okay, and then we'll do equals 10 times squared. Alright, so Skylar, when you get on here, you have to be speaking very clearly.
Okay. 4 times 10 equals 40. And equals 10 times 4.
Now, do you mind showing them how you figured that out?
Because this 10 goes to that 10, then that 10 goes to here, and then when that was blank, there was only one 4, so I brought the 4 that's over here.
Circle.
Brought this 4 that's over here, I brought it over here.
Awesome. Good job. Okay, well, I hope that has actually helped you guys with your math with your students. I will be posting some more videos here soon, and well, like I said, I will be posting some more videos, and hopefully you learning coaches out there will this will help, and I can't wait to see your feedback. Thanks. Bye, guys. You want to tell them bye, Skylar?
Bye.